Today I have come to you with a recipe whose popularity is growing viral on the internet and rising high on the popularity charts today. That is Dalgona Coffee. Dalgona, a type of Korean honeycomb toffee candy. Before we proceed, do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon. So let's make our amazing Dalgona coffee. The ingredients are 2 tablespoons of coffee, 2 tablespoons of sugar and 2 tablespoons of hot water. I will just give it a little mix with a whisk. If you want, you can whisk the mixture with a hand whisk or you can use a fork to beat it, which will take around 15 minutes. But I will be using a hand blender to whisk the mixture. We will keep whisking it till it forms soft peaks. Our coffee is nice and frothy and beaten well. We have beaten it for 5 to 7 minutes. Now friends, we will be needing at least half a cup of ice cubes and 2/3 cups of cold milk. We will be putting it into a glass and pouring 2/3 of chilled milk over it. Now we shall put the Dalgona mixture over the chilled milk. At least 1/3 of our cup or glass, in whatever we are serving it, should be covered with this mixture. We shall sprinkle a little coffee on it. I am placing a stirrer into it. So friends, our Dalgona coffee is ready. Do make it at home for your family and friends and let me know in the comment section below. Till we meet again with my next video. Bye bye.